Hello students, welcome to history class. We are doing the first chapter, that is the Harappan culture. Okay, so as we have already discussed in our previous class about the various types of craft production and the different types of material, okay, and the center of craft production, and the archaeologists, how they work to identify the centers of craft production, okay, and at the same time the relationship with the subcontinent and with the distant land to procure raw material for the production of certain craft. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the seals, script and weight of the Harappan culture. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about the seal. So as you all know that what is seal. Okay, so seal, seal is specially used, okay, specially used to facilitate long distance communication. Okay, so as you can see, okay, in present day life we use smartphones, okay, social media, okay, and different types of internet facilities, okay, at the same time postal system, okay, to communicate with the other world or the with the opposite person. Okay, but you can all understand that we are discussing the period of before the Christian era, right? like uh, so in those period, okay, how they you we have already found that the Harappan, they have the communication or trade relationship with the subcontinent as well as with the people of outer world. Okay, we have found some kind of evidences as well that they have the communication system with Mesopotamia, Oman, Bahrain, right? So obviously if they want to send something to Mesopotamia, there should be some kind of address on it. Okay, so so we have already discussed different types of seals, okay, to understand the typical culture. But like uh, for example, as I told you, this seal is used to facilitate long distance communication. Okay, for example, I'll take one bag. Okay, okay, I'll take one bag and I'll put something inside that bag, and I'll knot the mouth of that bag. Okay, and at the mouth of that bag, okay, I'll just picture this is the bag, okay, and this is the, okay, this is the mouth of the bag, and I'll tie the this mouth of the bag with the rope. Okay, and on it, and at the mouth of the bag, what I'll do is I used to put some wet clay. Okay, wet clay on here. Okay, on that wet clay, with particular seal. Okay, seal is used as a stamp, सिंपल वे स्टैम्प जैसे सील को तुम क्या समझो, स्टैम्प समझो. सो वो वेट क्ले के ऊपर वो क्या करते थे, वो सील को क्या करते थे विद पर्टिकुलर साइन और मोटिव. ओके, दे यूज टू प्रेस ऑन इट, प्रेस करते थे. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, वो पर्टिकुलर सील का साइन या मोटिव इस पे इम्प्रेस्ड हो जाता था. ठीक है, सो सपोज ये बैग अभी मुझे मेसोपोटामिया में भेजना है. ठीक है, सो इफ द बैग रीच मेसोपोटामिया विदाउट बीइंग द माउथ बीइंग ओपन, और किसी तरह से उसको क्या नहीं किया होगा, टैम्पर नहीं किया होगा. ठीक है, तो कैसे पता चलता है कि इफ द सील वाज इंटैक्ट विद दैट बैग एंड इफ द क्ले वाज देयर. ओके, सो वो जो रिसीवर है उसको पता चल जाता था कि वो बैग सही सही सलामत आ गया. सो दिस आल्सो द यूज ऑफ सील वाज टू इंडिकेट द address of the sender or the name of the sender. Okay, so seal का काम ऐसा होता था. Okay, so I'll show you some pictures of seal belonging to the Harappan culture. Okay, okay, so as you have as you can see, this is the cylindrical shape of the seal. Okay, like this shape typically belongs to the Mesopotamian seal, which we have already studied in class 11. Okay, but you can see, okay, the seal contains some kind of sign, okay, especially the sign of humble. Okay, so so especially humble, okay, it appears from the region called Indus region. Okay, humble हमको कहाँ से मिला था? Okay, we have like derived this kind of motifs from, especially from the region called Harappan culture. So ये भी one of the one of the example that the people of Harappa, they Harappan culture, they have the relationship with the outer world, like considering the shape that was typical of the Mesopotamian culture. Okay, like, let me show you other. Okay, you can see this seal as well. Okay, this is a seal, Persian seal, okay, found in Bahrain. Okay, Bahrain mein mila tha, but you can see this seal also carries some kind of motif in it, in this seal you can see some kind of animals. Okay, 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 so that means this seal also belongs to the Harappan culture as well. So in this seal you can see that the shape of the seal is rectangular. Okay, and at the same time there is a sign of boat. From this also we can see that the Harappan, they have the knowledge of sea route. Okay, and they use boat for that. Okay, so from whatever we learning, we should have that knowledge of connecting one evidence to the other to understand and to get a clear picture about this culture. Okay, so now we will move to the next subtopic, that is script of Harappan culture. Okay, so now we will discuss about our second script, subtopic, that is script. Okay, so especially the Harappan, like the Harappan script, okay, specially contain a line of writing that contains the name and address of the owner. Okay, especially on, like, we have found the script of Harappan culture, especially on seal. Okay, we have found script of Harappan in many objects, not only in seal. Okay, we have found in tools, we have found in pots, we have found in jewelries, we have found in bones. Okay, in many objects, but especially in seals. Okay, but especially the this is a, for example, this is a seal and there contains some kind of sign. Okay, this kind of sign. So this signs also indicates that the Harappan people, they want to make sure that the people who don't know how to read and write, they will also understand what was written on it. Okay, especially the people of Harappan. Okay, so not Harappa but the entire Harappan sites. Okay, so still now we are we don't have any clear picture about the Harappan script. Okay, still the script is not decipher means abhi tak clear nahi hua hai ki script kya hai. Okay, like the archaeologists have discover they have discovered more than 375 to 400 signs or letters from Harappan culture. Okay, in English we have 26 letters, but the Harappan culture, they have more than 375 to 400 signs or letters. Okay, it contains vowels or consonant, but we don't know the exact letter which this letter indicates. Okay, so we used to say that the Harappan script is pictographic. Okay, pictographic means through the picture से ही क्या किया है, we the archaeologists have tried to understand this culture. Okay, pictographic means picture, through picture. Okay, at the same time archaeologists have found, okay, many script content like sign of short, they have discovered many script, okay, containing short letters. Okay, most of the script contains like short letters, but they the longest script content 26 letters. Okay, most of the Harappan sites they have discovered like inscription, okay, that contains short sign or motif, okay, especially animal motif. But the archaeologists have even also discovered like inscription, okay, engraved on 26 signs. This is the longest sign they have ever discovered from this Harappan culture, okay. Next point is the Harappan, like we used to write from where? We used to write from left side, right? We used to start our sentence from left side, and the Harappan used to start their sentence from the right side, like this, okay, like this. They used to start their, yes, sentence from the right side. How we know this means, because whenever we start any sentence, we used to leave certain space, okay, and we used to start just like this. The Harappan also started their sentence leaving certain space at the right side, and on the left side the words are cramping. Cramping means बहुत ज़्यादा वो होना, crowded होना, ठीक है. So यहाँ से भी the archaeologists have predicted the Harappan used to start their writing from right to left, okay. So this is the Harappan script. It is still undeciphered, okay. That is still, it is still mysterious, and we don't have a clear picture, okay, about the Harappan culture. So now we will move to the next subtopic, that is weight. But before that, I'll show you the show you some Harappan letters, okay. Let's see. So can you see this? This is all the letters that is on the Harappan signboard, okay. So from this letter, what should we understand? Okay, we don't understand any. We have only seen some kind of pictures, okay, some kind of pictures, some kind of circle or some kind of wheels. There is some kind of like pictures like signboards, but what this particular sign indicates, we don't know. That is the reason why we used to call the script mysterious or undeciphered, okay. So now we will move to our next subtopic, that is weight. Okay, now our next subtopic is weight, okay. So the Harappan, they used weight to regulate what? They regulate their trading system, okay. They used to regulate they use weight to regulate their what they call, to regulate their exchange system, okay. As we have already have the knowledge that the Harappan, they have the exchange system with the subcontinent as well as the outer world, especially the Mesopotamian, Bahrain and the Oman region, right. So they use weight for that. Especially the weight consists, okay, the shape of the weight looks like cubicle. It is cubicle in shape. Cubicle is like this, okay, and this cubicle is made of some kind of stone called chert or yes, spelling I think, chert, okay. So the Harappan use this small cubicle for small denomination, okay, to weigh some kind of beads, okay, gold and silver, okay. And for this purpose they use binary system. The Harappan, they have the knowledge of binary system, okay. For small denomination they use binary system. What is binary is? Binary is either 0 or 1. It starts like this, okay, 1, okay. I'll just make a series, okay, binary system, okay, 1, 10, 11, okay, 100, 101, 111, and 100,000, 1001, and 1011, and so on. This is binary system, okay. And this binary system they use in small denomination, okay, to weigh small thing, okay. At the same time, the Harappan, they have the knowledge of decimal system. Okay, decimal system. Yeah, decimal system they use for weighing, okay, large objects. Okay, I don't know what was that large object, but they use this decimal system for large object, okay, to weigh large object. Okay, like decimal system, okay, is like this fraction. In decimal system there is like fraction or points. Okay, fraction means 1 by 4, 3 by 5, this is fraction, and 3 by 2, this is point. And decimal, this is decimal system, they includes fraction and or either point. Okay, so in this decimal system they use decimal system for what? For larger denomination or for weighing larger objects. Okay, so this is the weight system of Harappan culture. So I hope you all have understood today's chapter, that is seal, script and weight. Okay, so in next chapter we are going to learn about the political like system of the Harappan culture, that is ancient authority. Okay, so for today this much, and I'll catch you on next class. Thank you very much and have a nice day.